poppin'? It's your girl Kayla Ada, and I'm back with another video. So today, by that title, I'm going to be doing, wow, I just want to use my hands today. But today, by that title, I'm going to be doing wand curls. I haven't done wand curls in so long. I think the last time I did wand curls was when I was like in middle school. Or maybe high school, like 9th grade, middle school, when I used to have my weaves, you know. If you know, you know. You used to do the wand curls on their weave, because when you used to wear wigs, we thought that was, but wigs is in style now. But when you used to have your little sew-ins, you used to get the wand curls and roll it up at night. But besides the point, and today I have on my brother collection, Kalvin vintage. Yes, support black-owned businesses, especially small black-owned businesses. But this shirt is going to be in my description down below. And if you can't find it in the description, then just hit me up on any social medias and I will help you get this shirt. And it's going to be new stuff coming in store. So y'all be on the lookout for Kalvin vintage. It's going to be everywhere 2021. Period. So I'm just about to add some argan oil throughout my hair at the same time. And I'm about to get into, because my hair looks dry. So I'm just about to put argan oil as I go on my ends and stuff. So this is the wand curler that I'm using. It's a Remington. If y'all can see it. Get the YouTube hands going. I had this for a good minute and it's hot. Let me turn it down. I had it on 30 so it can heat up, but I'm gonna put it on 20-25. I hated doing these curls because every time you started wrapping the hair, it always burnt, like you always burning your fingers. So like I already know I'm about to be burning my hands up. They used to come with them little gloves, but that never worked. So we're gonna get right into it. Take a small section. I'm gonna want it downward because you want the looser curls at the end. Unless you just want the fat curls and unless you just want to do this, which I don't recommend, but if you want to do that, you can do that. But I'm about to one downward. So I'm about to see how this is gonna go. Should I? I'm gonna wand the curls. I'm gonna wand away from my ear. I used to be scared, y'all, because I did not want to be like that girl who burnt her hair off.
Oh my god. Kidding me.
For leaving it on there too long. I used to think that was gonna happen to me. But I think I'm gonna leave it on there for like 10 seconds. Let's see how they did. How they do, y'all? Don't play with her. Cause that's cute. I'm sorry, I'm looking up because my monitor is at the top. But don't play with her. She did not want to lamb, period. So this is how the curl came out, y'all. It's giving me very much when you're a little girl and you gotta get your hair done for Sunday and Easter and all those good holidays, when you had to get your hair done, you used to get popped in that chair for not letting your mama do your hair. This is what it's giving me. It's giving me very much tight curls. Okay, y'all, so this is how it turned out. I'm gonna do a little front bang or whatever. I tried it before and I loved it. So you can either do a side part if you want to, or you can do your little bangs or whatever, or middle part, however you want to part your hair, you can do that. And you can leave the curls like this tight and let them fall throughout the day. Pick the curls out and I'm gonna spruce myself up and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so that is the final look. How y'all liking it? Y'all liking it? Your girl looking good? Is your girl looking good? Is your girl looking good? Like, yeah, this is like my favorite look. Like, this is like one of my number one favorite looks right now. Look at those curls. I can't stop touching my hair. But this is how it looks after I pull them out. I'm gonna let y'all know your arms are going to be tired after this, because holding that one curl up and trying to hold these curls, each curl I did like 30 to 40 seconds. It may seem long, but the longer you hold the one on there, the tighter the curls go. So if you want some real tight curls, you see how they turned out, and after you pull them out, this is how it looks. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to shop Kalvin Vintage Collection. It will be in the link down below. Bye.